it's me again. I'm back. Would you like to go from drab to fab? You and me both. I want to too. But you can't do it all at once. You gotta put drops in the bucket. Drops in the bucket. And today, I'm putting a drop in the bucket. I am starting my very own capsule wardrobe. Do you want to too? Well, come along with me. I'm gonna show you how I started. A capsule wardrobe is a limited number of timeless staple items that can be worn for multiple seasons. They are color coordinated and they can be paired with the trendy pieces of that season. Why do I need help dressing myself? Let me tell you why. I was going through pictures looking for something for my weight loss video, and I came across this picture from December 2002. That's me, and that little baby, she's 18 now. Now take a look at this still from my very first YouTube video in December 2019. Yes, girl, that is the same shirt, 17 years later. And it wasn't new in the picture when I was wearing it in 2002. I'm pretty sure I got it in 1999. And those overalls, circa 1993. It wasn't tight anymore. I've been losing weight, so I put it on. Are you seeing my issues now? If you have similar issues or just like watching other people's problems, keep watching. We're going to figure this out. It's time to do some research. Did you know that our phones, tablets, and computers were portals to all the knowledge that there ever was in the entire universe? It's true, and I decided to take advantage. I logged into my handy-dandy laptop, hoping to find any information I could on how to dress myself better. I was clicking away, and I came across this website called frumpfighters.com. The founder is Karina Holden, and she claims that she can help anybody, even me, learn to dress better and be fashionable. Help is on the way. I went ahead and downloaded the Stay-at-Home Mom's Year-Round Outfit Guide, 280 outfits for the entire year. Let's go ahead and skip to the good part. This is a capsule plan's visual checklist. These are all the pieces at a glance that she recommends to go in your capsule wardrobe. The tops and the bottoms, the completer pieces, shoes, and accessories. She also gives us example color palettes and instructions on how to make our own. I kind of like this one, although that mulberry may have to turn to burgundy, and I don't really know how to wear silver. That might turn to another olive. I don't wear a lot of navy, but the rest can really stay the same. Next, we see each individual piece with more information next to them. The titles are hyperlinks. If you click them, it takes you to a site where you can buy either that exact piece or something similar. This is the free version, and so when you click it, you only get to go to one site. But if you buy the full plan, there's a dashboard where you can go to several different sites. And then there are also options for plus size and pregnant and nursing mothers. If you don't like what you see here, she has alternatives that you can buy. And if you don't like the colors, well, remember you chose your own color palette, so you'll like what you buy. She recommends that you start shopping from your closet first, but as you saw, I really don't have much to work with, so I'm starting from scratch. The stores that she links to go from high-end to low-end, so you can really choose your own budget. She gives us all the pieces that we need, so we really don't even have to think much about it. There's shoes, here are accessories. I might have to be convinced to wear a scarf. But then there's bags, and there's more accessories. Might have to say no to that baseball cap. I don't think I'm doing that. More accessories and jewelry. There's even makeup. I think she even has a makeup course, but I'll just stick with YouTube videos. Next is a checklist. You can check off all the things that you already have so that you know what you need to buy. Now for the outfits. This is the part that isn't as free, But she does have some sample outfits to show us from each season to give us a taste of what the paid version is like. I kind of cut off the top of this, but these are the fall outfits. The accessories to the right of the black arrow are what you would wear when you go outside. You see, she tells us everything to wear right down to the socks and the earrings. These are the winter sample outfits. They look okay. I don't know about the knit cap though. We may have to ditch that. Next is spring. It looks okay. Remember, we choose our own colors. I don't know about that bottom outfit. It might look better on fire. Oh, and summer. I don't know. The t-shirt, the graphic t-shirts. Who am I kidding? I don't know anything. I'm just going to follow the instructions. But no to the baseball cap. No, I'm not doing that. Oh, and this is the part where she invites us to buy the whole plan, which I did. You get all of the outfits and the dashboard with the shopping guide. There's also a Facebook group where all the ladies get together to show off their outfits. I feel like I can't show you the rest of the outfits because they're part of the paid version, but I will show you what I bought and all the outfits that I was able to make from it. I don't have much yet, but I was able to come up with more than you would think. This cardigan is not even in my color palette, but I have it, and I figured I could wear it with a neutral. I got it from Kato several years ago. Next is a dark colored cardigan. I've worn this a few times. It's paid for itself already. I got it at H&M for only $13. Next is my neutral cardigan. I got it at Old Navy for half price. I really love it. It's kind of long, but it's warm. I don't need anything too thick. I live in Texas. This is my neutral slouchy sweater. I think it's slouchy. It looks slouchy to me. Well, it's neutral anyway. I'm going to call it my neutral slouchy sweater. I wore it to Thanksgiving. Also from H&M. This is my neutral button down. I got it in white because all of the colors I saw on the site looked kind of lumberjacky to me. Excuse the wrinkles, I pulled it out of the laundry just so I could show you. I wore this under the slouchy sweater to Thanksgiving. Also H&M. This striped shirt I've had for a while. I got it from Target. It's the Massimo brand. Him and his wife, Aunt Becky, they're in a little trouble right now. But I know this is old because they don't even sell this brand at Target anymore. But it fit right in with the plan. Black and white stripes, long sleeve. I had to. More stripes. This is my striped dress, also H&M. It's almost identical to the one in the capsule plan. I've had it about a year, so it's new to me. I accidentally put it in the dryer and it shrunk a little, so it goes up kind of above the knee, but I've been losing weight, so it fits a little better now. This is my knee-length neutral print dress. It doesn't exactly go to the knee. It's actually well above the knee, but it will do. I also got this at Target. It's a wrap dress. You have to have a camisole or tank top underneath or you will show all your goodies. Here's another neutral dress. This one's in white. I got it several years ago at Plato's Closet for like $7. It was $6 or $7. This one actually does go to the knee. I love it so much. I have 3 white dresses. I love white dresses. These are my medium color wash jeans. I don't know where I got them. I'm actually not even sure that they're mine. But I found them in the house and I've been wearing them. I only have this one pair showing here. All of my pants are getting so big. I'm wary of buying any more because when I get down to my goal size, I'm just going to end up buying more. The situation is getting dire though. I might have to break down and buy some pants. I have a pair of leggings that I'm wearing right now so you can't really see them. And this is an incomplete list of t-shirts and tank tops and whatnot that I have that I can wear with the pieces. And there's a pair of shorts. I have some more somewhere. Well, that's it for now. If you like me, and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. I'll see you next week.